Hi, my name is Sara Zamora, a Montessori elementary teacher of 14 years.
And I'm Saadia Ahmed, a Montessori educator for 11 years. And we are really looking forward to the Montessori event in Nashville.
We will be co-presenting a workshop called the Rosh Hashanah and Ramadan Conundrum, Lessons on Judaism and Islam. I will be giving an overview of Judaism and lessons on major Jewish holidays that can then be replicated in your classroom while making cross-curriculum connections.
And I will be giving lessons on Islam and the important Muslim holidays. So basically, it will be like two workshops rolled into one. Our hope is that giving these lessons will foster an appreciation of world religions and other cultures among your students. We look forward to seeing you at the Montessori event.